So what's up my people, it's about speaking here once again with another update. So in today's video is one kind different update, because first of all you guys should know that this particular update is from Brazil. It's a Brazilian website which I have been screening all these while. As you can see there, and the native language of the platform is not English. So what you have to do is to first of all click on the three dotted line on your browser, depending on your browser you are using, and make sure that you translate it to English so that you will be seeing and understanding whatever that is being written on the platform. So that is first thing you have to do. So this is it's kind of a betting website. If you're in Nigeria, let's say it's just like Bet Nigeria, but this particular one is being automatically done for you. Every bet and everything is being done for you by a robot, and you will have some percentage you'll be earning every single day. This is a Brazilian project, just like I told you guys, but due to the involvement of cryptocurrency, anyone, anywhere, as far as you are crypto oriented, you can run this particular platform. So how do you do it? It's very simple. First of all, let's go over to their plan for us to see how their plan works. What you have to see first of all is that my investor capital here is $50. Look at it here, invested capital is $50. So look at it and take note of that. And if you click on this particular icon here, the second icon after the dashboard, if you click on it, it's going to take you over where their plans, investment plans is. So let them translate it for us to see everything. So the minimum plan here is $10, which I think most of you guys can afford it. And one thing I like about this platform, and I also find out about this platform, why I'm making this video on it to show you guys how it works, is that it gives you 10% of whatever you actually have, any plan of your choice. It gives you 10% every single day. So that 10% means you will be earning 10% of whatever plan that you bought every single day. And minimum investment is $10, and maximum earning on it is extra 100% of it. That means if you use $10 to start it up, that means the maximum you can earn without your $10 is $20, and that is it. The same thing goes for the $20 plan. If you use $20 plan, you will be earning 10% of it every day until it reach $40 and you stop earning it. You can easily buy another plan. The same thing goes to the $50 package, which is the one that I'm actually using. So you can also check out the $100, $200 and $500 package till up to $3,000. I think their last package is $3,000 package. So how do you do it? You have to buy it with USDT. So click on this where it says buy it with USDT. It's going to take you over to where you will select how to pay with USDT. So for the sake of this video, I'm already activated my plan, but I have to just show you guys how it works. As you can see, I've activated this particular plan by myself and it's done payout. So how do you do it? Click on this particular place that says pay with USDT, pay USDT, and it's gonna give you a USDT wallet address. And take note of the network of the USDT. It is BEP20 USDT, BEP20 USDT wallet address. So what you have to do is to copy this particular wallet address. This is a one-time payment address. Whenever you want to make another payment, make sure to come back to the account and get another payment address. So what you have to do is to copy this wallet address, go over to your wallet, be it Binance, be it anywhere you can get USDT in BEP20 network. Once you're done with it, send according to the plan that you want to activate from $10 up. Minimum investment is $10. Take note, minimum investment is $10. So from $10 up, go ahead and deposit the particular plan that you want to activate on it. And once you're done activating it, once you're done doing it, screenshot it on your app, from your wallet address that you made the deposit. Screenshot it and click on this place that says send proof. Click on it, send proof. It's going to load you to where you will have to select the file. Click on this place that says choose file, this particular choose file, and then select the screenshot that you made about the particular website. And then once you're done with it, click on this place that says send receipt, and you will be credited. Your account on the platform will be credited after the review. So back to my dashboard, as you can see, my plan, I activated it the day before yesterday, so it have given me the second day revenue, which is around extra $5 for a secondary revenue. And you can see that my purchase plan is one plan. My only purchase plan is one plan, and that is the $50 plan. So you can also check how the platform works, how their robots work, and if you just all you have to do is to just click on this particular place, and it's going to take you over to the operation center of the bot, and you see the bot doing everything live, playing the game and everything. Now one thing is sure for you is that the time you will, no matter how the game goes, you will always get 10%. The robot is designed to help you get 10% of your initial plan every single day. So this is how the bot works. So there's not so much, there's no work you have to do on this particular platform apart from signing in with the link in the description and then purchasing a plan, and then let the plan work for you, let the robot work for you. So once you're done getting the minimum withdrawal, which is $5, what you have to do is to click on this particular place that looks like a book icon and then click on it. It's gonna go over to the last bottom of it and then select withdrawal. So it's gonna take you over to withdrawal. So what you have to do is to click on this where it says arrangement. This particular arrangement is actually how much you have on your account. So it's translated for me, and as you can see, my income is $10. So what I have to do now is to click on this where it says income, and remember that they will deduct 5% of whatever you have as withdrawal fee. So what I have to do is to click on this where it says my withdrawal, my USDT, and you can how do you register your USDT wallet address here? It's very simple. Click on this where it says register, and then it's going to take you over to where you will input your USDT wallet address. Remember, it's going to be PEP20 USDT wallet address. So for this withdrawal, I'm using my Trust wallet, and this particular USDT is the first thing to enter this particular wallet. So what I have to do is to click on this where it says receive, and then I have to copy it. Remember, this is BEP20 wallet. I'm showing you guys this thing for you to see that is BEP20 wallet address. So the next thing you have to do is to click on this where it says enter BEP20 wallet address. So once you click on it, click on this where it says add wallet, and instantly the wallets have been added for you. So next thing you have to do is to go back to your account and then place your withdrawal. So just like I showed you guys, click on this place that says income, and then select my USDT wallet address, and then select the wallet address that you linked on the platform. So I'm selecting this particular wallet address and then enter the quantity that I want to withdraw. Remember, minimum withdrawal is 5 USDT. So what I have to do now is to enter 10, because that is what I have on my account, on my available balance here, 10 USDT. So if I click on, next thing I have to do is to click on this where it says request withdrawal. As you can see, the withdrawal is now successful. And so all I have to do now is to click on this where it says okay. Now I don't have anything on my wallet address again. So let's go back to my dashboard and see that I don't have anything on my dashboard. As you can see, I don't have anything on my available balance again. There's nothing on my available balance anymore. And moreover, while waiting for the withdrawal to land, I remember one thing: you can also reinvest with your capital. So how do you, with the income balance in your account, in case you have generated another income and you choose to make more investment on it, all you have to do is to click on this particular last icon here, and it's going to take you where you will use your balance to pay for another plan, another earning plan. So all you have to do is to enter the amounts and then go over with it. And also remember that their withdrawal time starts from 5 p.m. to 10 a.m. Brazilian time. That is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Brazilian time. That means in this my Nigerian time is from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Nigerian time compared to Brazilian time. So you have to check your country's time to know when their withdrawal time is. So those time is the only time that you can withdraw, or else you have to wait for the next day. So after around 2 minutes of placing my withdrawal, I got an email from the site in a French language, that my withdrawal I have completed. So let me just use screen translator to know what they says on this particular email. So as you can see, it says, "Hello Zubi King, a request was made to withdraw $9 from your account. Soon as this amount will be available on your Bitcoin wallet." So if you go over to the account now, you see that my withdrawal was successful, and just like I told you guys, they're going to remove 5% of withdrawal charges. Look at it over here. Withdrawal charges of 50 cents was recorded and $9.50 was paid to me. And right here on my account, you can see that the withdrawal was successful to my trust wallet. So if you click over here, you see this is $9.50, which I got. That means every single day I'm making $5 from this particular platform automatically with my $50. This is very sweet and juicy. So this is how this particular platform works, and I've showed you guys what you need to know about the platform. So it's now left for you to choose the plan of your choice and know how much you'll be making per day. What I'm making, my plan, my target on this particular platform is extra 50 USDT, and I can still easily withdraw my capital and then continue with the investment on this particular platform. So this is how this platform works, and I hope you guys got value from it. Remember, invest what's gonna afford to lose. So Bitcoin is not in any way a financial advisor. See you guys in my next video. Bye.